How to change the screen of the iPhone X. Before disassembly the screen, we have to turn off the device. Once turned off, we have to unscrew the two screws on the bottom pentalobe of 6.9 millimeters. We remove the screws. In the next step, we have to apply heat by the edges of the screen to loosen the adhesive, which is water resistant. With the help of a plastic tool, we have to separate the screen from the frame of the phone, starting from the bottom part, bit by bit. Next, we have to cut the glue, which holds the screen from bottom to top, on the left and right side. Pay close attention and do not insert the plastic tool too far so as not to damage any electronic component. We open the screen up, but without separating it yet. Remove 5Y000 screws securing the logic board connector bracket of the following lengths: 3 1.1 millimeters, 1 3.1 millimeters, 1 3.7 millimeters. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your iPhone. We remove the screws. We lift the bracket. Here, we have the 4 connectors. We use a plastic tool to disconnect the battery connector. Then, we disconnect the flex from the LCD display, the touchscreen, and the proximity sensor. Now is the time to separate the screen and replace it with a new Apple spare part. Here, we have the spare part that we are going to use. We come back with the assembly process. We check the new screen.
Jag bara film.